Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize floating screenshot preview options in Realme 14x phone. So first of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings, we're looking for accessibility and convenience. Next, we need to scroll down to screenshot. And here at the bottom, we have screenshot preview floating window. So first of all, we need to enable it using this switch right here. And now here we have a few options. So first of all, we can have a pop-up on the left side, on the right side, and here is the option to delete original image after we finish editing it. So the switch is right here. We can turn it on or off, and we can choose at which side the screenshot preview will appear, and we can turn it off right here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you, and see you